Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Twitch for donations. First, ensure you have an active PayPal business or Premier account, as personal accounts have limitations. Your Twitch channel should also be an affiliate or partner to access the necessary customization options. Open your Twitch dashboard to the About section, ready to add a new panel. Having a custom image or clear text prepared for your donation button will enhance your stream's professionalism. Now let's create your unique PayPal Me link. Log into your PayPal account through a web browser, not the app, for full functionality. Find the PayPal Me option, usually under Send and Request or Settings, and click to create your link. Choose a simple, professional name that's easy for your viewers to remember, perhaps your Twitch handle. You can also personalize your PayPal Me page with a profile picture and a brief description, making it more inviting for potential donors. With your PayPal Me link ready, navigate to your Twitch channel page. Below your stream, you will see a section for panels. Toggle the Edit Panels button to turn it on. Click the large plus sign to add a new panel, then select the Text or Image panel option. Here, you will paste your PayPal Me link into the image links to field. Add a clear, inviting image for your button and a brief description explaining how donations support your stream. After adding your panel, remember to toggle Edit Panels off and thoroughly test your new link. Click on the donation panel yourself to ensure it correctly redirects to your PayPal Me page. Clearly communicate to your audience that donations are an option and explain how their generosity directly supports your content. Consider incorporating a subtle call to action within your stream overlay or during your broadcasts. Regularly review your donation setup, perhaps once every 3 months, to confirm everything still works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.